Hello and welcome back to Fire and Spirit. Today we're going to prepare smoked hot wings. We're going to start with the smoker, put them on the grill, and finish it off with a 3-ingredient hot sauce. We're going to pair all of this with a hazy IPA beer. So stick around. So first of all, we're going to need to marinate the chicken wings and set it overnight. We're going to use regular apple juice, a little bit of vinegar, salt, pepper, and onions. I'm going to combine all of this, cover it up, and let it rest for the night. Let's do this. All right, we're going to start with apple juice. Cover it up. Add a little bit of vinegar, not too much. Add the onions and salt and pepper. Now mix it all up. All right, this is ready for the fridge. It's gonna rest overnight and we're gonna start again tomorrow. I recently pruned a peach tree in my yard, so we're gonna use it to smoke the wings. I'm gonna cut a few pieces and use it with the rest of the wood. The tree is still green, so it's perfect for smoking. Take a few small branches and then we're gonna do the bigger ones. I'm gonna put all of those sticks that we cut off into small bundles, so it's gonna be easier to just load it into the smoker. So I don't have to do it stick by stick. I can just put all of this inside. Time to start the smoker. Start with a little bit of paper, some pine cones. I usually go to a nearby park and collect with my kids. Something for them to do, and it's a great fire starter. Oh, a few twigs and a few bigger twigs, but very dry. This is a dry maple wood. We have nice suction going. Let's open up the smoker and see. Yeah, you can see already it comes out. I have a a lever here to control the amount of smoke. Basically turns the valve inside. So how this works is the fire chamber is a little bit offset from the smoker. Inside I have a pipe that goes through and exits here. And that's it. I'm gonna close it up, let it heat up, and start smoking. In the meantime, I'm soaking the wood we cut, because wet wood makes smoke, and that's exactly what we need. I also have some apple chips in there, apple wood chips. So as soon as the fire gets going, we're gonna put the wet wood on top of it. The smoke will create a beautiful flavor for our wings. Before we put the wings in there, we're gonna put a little bit of water on the bottom, so we'll keep the moisture. Now that we have a pretty solid fire going, we can start putting the wet wood to create that nice smoke. See, it's completely wet, so don't worry about it. The fire is strong. And it's gonna take a while to burn. So the wood chips. I'm not gonna close all the way because I wanna keep the fire burning. I will close it at some point. The bottom thermometer is at 150. The top is about 175. So I'd say we're ready to put the wings in. I'm gonna clean the cast iron grates with an onion before we put anything on it. Let's see this beauty. Ooh, look at this. Gorgeous. I think it's time to put the wings. Like I said, they've been marinating in the fridge for 24 hours. So they're ready to go. So is our smoker. All right, we're all set. We're gonna leave them there, I'd say about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, depending on the heat. Then we're gonna put them on the grill to finish them off. And I add a few of those bundles, because right now the heat is pretty high, so we're gonna lower it with wet wood. By the way, all the cutting boards that I'm using on this channel are made by Basin Woodworks, which is, wait for it, also me. I'm gonna put a link to my website in the description, so take a look. I have a few cool projects there. I build cutting boards, bars, furniture, everything in a rustic style, from what you can see. So take a look. I think it's time to flip them a little bit. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful smoke. It's time to light up grill. All right, it's time to make the sauce. So this is pretty hot. I'm gonna put our large cast iron pan, let it heat up a little bit. For the sauce, I'm gonna use this red hot sauce, about 3/4 of a bear, maybe half a bear of honey, and about 3/4 of a stick of butter. That's pretty much it. Just mix it up, let it get a little bit more solid, like a molasses type of texture, and then just gonna put them on the wings. So let's do about 6 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, why not? Let's just use all of it. Pretty small bottle. This sauce is gonna be amazing. It's sweet, tangy, hot, spicy, combined with smoked wings on the grill. It is gonna be delicious. Let it all melt and cook a little bit. I'd say about 5 to 10 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, it's time to take out the wings. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at the smoke. All right. The wings look phenomenal. I'm gonna combine them with the wings. Mix them up a little bit. I mean, come on. This is just gorgeous. Can't wait to try them. And garnish the wings with a little bit of fresh chives. It's time, ladies and gentlemen. Time to take them out. Boy, oh boy. A little bit of garnish for the look. All right, we're gonna pair this with the Sierra Nevada Juicy Little Thing IPA. It's a very hazy beer, which I love, and I think it's gonna go really well with this. All right, let's give it a try. Wow. You can feel the smoke, the spice, the sweetness. Oh my God. This is, I'm sorry, this is just amazing. Wow. Very rich beer. Wings and beer, like what else can you want? This, truly, I wish you could taste it. It's just amazing. And all of this is made, I mean, it took a while, yes, but you really don't have to have this massive grill and smoker. You can all do that just on a regular backyard smoker. It's just, wow. Definitely try it. It's very simple. Only 3 ingredients in the sauce: butter, honey, hot sauce, that's it. Smoked for about 2 hours and grilled for extra like 10-15 minutes. Delicious. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share the videos, it helps the channel a ton. There's going to be a lot more of those videos. So thank you for sticking around. Cheers.